Hi Paw friends, today we are going to do a review on our canine Greek puppy food. This is available in the form of puppy food, starter, adult. So as our puppy, you can see in our videos, our cockerly is about 6 months now. So we are using this canine Greek for her. So you can see it is written as life preservation formula, and you can see here the word puppy because this is our puppy. Now it's 6 months old, so we are using this. And just for trial, as we know, puppy used to eat NND for I think about, now she's 6 months, right? From birth she's eating only NND. Just now we have changed this. The only reason is because of that stingy smell. We can't bear from NND. What I felt is that canine Greek is very nice advanced pet nutrition. It's like some chocolatey or some medicine flavor, so it's not disturbing our mood, or that smell now is bearable. So you can see this is a grain free one. So I suggest everyone to feed your puppies only grain free one, because the grain which is present in a puppy is not giving any nutrition, or it's like not of use. So only grain free food is, I think it's best for mainly our puppy stage. When it comes to adult, you can give grain to her or he, right? Our puppy is she, so we are saying her. So here you can see our we bought a net kg of about 1.2 kg. It is an ultimate pet diet for mainly puppies, grain free, and 48% it is having real meat. So we have seen in pedigree or any other thing, actually NND is also perfect, it is also having perfect meat there. But we have found some products like not to say those names, but like pedigree, all those things have only some meat and their byproducts. They're saying that Drool's food is also good, but Drool's food, that focus we have bought about 4 kg without knowing. We have thought it would fit to our puppy, but this has given a very big break to us, because we have bought 4 kg at a time and now it is not returnable, and that is not fit to our puppy. It is getting motions, vomitings, diarrhea, all those problems. So we have now used Canine Quick as a trial pack, and this Canine Quick is giving a very good result to our puppy. It is having it happily, but in the starting it is not eating, so we need to feed her in the beginning. Later it is doing its work well. So you can see here it is 48% real meat and cold form like life preservation kibbles. Actually those are like kibbles, and we have 7 antioxidants. And here also, as pet lovers, we don't want to harm animals, so this is a cage free chicken, so even our puppy will not show any aggressive nature by eating this. And you can say it is mainly formulated in USA. Of course many pet products are from USA, so high quality ingredients are present in this. This is what we are attracted to, and we are using it. You can see we have our many fruits, blueberry and some green, I don't know that name, pumpkin, spinach, and also we have some apricots like thing over there, and apple, and also meat, our main chicken, cage free chicken, which is very good for puppy ultimate growth during this time. And also I found a sweet potato, if you see, right? So these are the ingredients which are mentioned back of our Canine Greek. And you can see it is having advanced pet nutrition. Why? Is to support the immune system. Mainly you can see it is antioxidant rich ingredients, essential vitamins, vital minerals. And many people just think, even we thought that if a home food is better to our puppy, but remember that during the growth state every puppy needs this packed food at least up to 1 year, because you can see here the bones can be strong only by this food. And the key benefits are like brain and eye development also will be good, and healthy skin and coat. And because of this, by using these products, our puppy will not shed more, and there is also healthy immune system provided by our Canine Greek. So that is what they promise. Even we are using it now, so I think after 1 year or so, even our puppy, we can give a best review like what happens to her. Even now she is very happy with this, so that's what we are giving a review on this. You can see a grain free formula. Even there is no corn, no wheat, no soya, no rice. So I have checked out other products like some pedigree, Himalaya food or something, which have mainly grains. I have found corn in Drool's, and wheat, soya, rice, all these are also found in pedigree. I have seen their formula. So this is very important slide I want to show you about Canine Greek. So that is what the reason we have choose the Canine Greek. And that's what repeated. So you can see her puppy when she's very small, at the age of, I think, not 45 days, just when we bought her home. You can see she's enjoying her NND. NND is her favorite food, which we bought from the beginning, and now we have just shifted her. You can see at that time even she's very small. Her mouth is in the size of the cup, but now at present, if you see our old videos, you can see that cup is now exactly, means in a correct size, it is now bigger. So this is what we are using Canine Creek, and you can see I hold the original pack over here, Canine Creek. Yeah, it's the same thing, the slides we show, even the original pack is showing the same, so we can trust this product. So the same thing are also written here, and the price. Yeah, coming to price, so you can see MRP, you can see a red dot, it's pure non-veg, and MRP is 700, and that is per 1.2 kg. So this is important. So for 1.2 2 kg you're costing 700, whereas NND I found it's like around 2000 for 1 kg. So even this is like somewhat cost effective, and also I think it's better for your puppies. And this advertisement is showing like it is very tasty, so that's what we also thought it would be tastier. Even my puppy enjoys it now. Yeah, my puppy has come just now. You can see she is also active nowadays. Yeah, she's very active. She see how she is now looking at that puppy food. Now she just got addicted to this. So whenever you want to change any kind of food, just change that food only in the time of your this childhood nature. Don't change it in adult, because it can't adjust to that. So you can see how it is sniffing that favorite food now. She is very much happy with the food. Yeah, Lee. Yeah, she's active, she's everything fine with her. So you can see here NND, this is NND food, we have used it before. So here we have found the grain in NND. This is also mini puppies one, and here you can see the picture they're showing pomegranate. So now instead of pomegranate in Canine Creek we have blueberries, and yeah, you can see pumpkin and all this cherries, spinach. So NND is also quite a good food from Farmina Pet Food, and you can see here this is like chicken, spelt, oats and pomegranate, and also it's very nice Italian formula. But the price, you can see it's a huge difference. It's about, yeah, it's about 2000 for 1 kg, I think. So this is how many kgs? Yeah, for 2 kgs 2000, and this is 700. I think almost they are same, just a light difference for both this Canine Creek and NND. So this is what we have changed now from NND to Canine Creek, and now we have our puppy is habituated, and also we are habituated again. She has come to just take this, so now she's happy with Canine Creek. So this is all about our review on Canine Creek, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.